Good afternoon, viewers. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you're watching us from. Welcome to another session of Your Food and Life. Today is not just about talking, it's about food formulation, the formulation and modification of our food. Something we've been eating for a long time, but we need to just add one or two other things in order to make it more nutritious. Today I'll be making sausage roll, oats, self-raising flour, salt, margarine, our mixed veg, which is potato, carrot, and then spring onions. Also, then we have our shredded beef already cooled. So, how do we go about this? All I need to do is get all the ingredients. First is the oats. The oats, for a beginner, we are doing the ratio 1 to 3, meaning that if you have 1 portion of oats, you have 3 portions of the regular self-raising flour, after which you add a pinch of salt, or half to pinch, just a little. There you go. And then you measure out your margarine 100 grams. Let's do it this way on the plate. Now 100 grams margarine. Mix everything together. Process that we call not just turning and turning. It's better to use your hand here, but I'll start with the spoon in order to get all the margarine in my spoon into the flour. So we call it the folding method, while you are trying to rub the margarine into the flour. So see how it goes. The essence of doing this is for us to increase our fiber level instead of just using the regular self-raising flour. And we know that we have more of carbohydrates in there, but once you introduce oats into it, the fiber increases as well as other minerals. So keep mixing. See, it becomes very flaky. Then now I add my water. I'm going to add just little, as 100 ml, as 10 cl, 3 ounces. You mix again, and keep mixing. Are you see? You also need to put in your baking powder as well. Baking powder, half a teaspoon, because of the small quantity that we have here, half a teaspoon. You ensure you have all the ingredients whitened in what you have from the plate, because if you don't do that, you have reduced the weight of the ingredients, whereby it's not accurate anymore. Because if you intend to put 100 grams, as we have like 3 grams in the bowl, measuring bowl, that means what you're actually using is 97. Some add a bit of milk into it, or egg white. I'm going to introduce egg white just for binding purpose. I will use half of the egg white. You keep mixing, and then use the rest for glazing of my, after rolling out. So I break it into a bowl and I scoop out the egg white, just a little here. That's it, egg white. While I wait, keep mixing. Ensure you have all the flour well incorporated until it becomes one big lump. While you are mixing, it's not just because you want everything to mix up, but you're also incorporating air. You know, it's also, what does air does? Air also makes it rise, increase the rising capacity, makes it smoother. You do. Now we have our full dough in one. Then we get our rolling pin, top board, bit of flour on the surface, and we begin to roll out. We roll out. After rolling out, the usual rolling out. Then you fill it with the vegetable, the mixed veg that I have here. Then I'll fill with mine. Let's wait for the end product. Here we are with the samples of composite flour. Oops. Sausage roll made with composite flour. A blend of oats and wheat flour. The white wheat flour, self-raising flour. Another one brick. Oops. So let's have a taste. Yummy, 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 yummy. Hope you've learned something today. Please try it out and you will enjoy the meal. It's not just about snacking or snacking right. See, we have enough veggies in there. I make it at home instead of eating solid all evening. Have a good evening. Have a good night. And God bless you. Bye.